Ever tried to move a mountain of cash? Not literally, of course. But have you ever hit a wall when transferring a big chunk of money? Maybe you were met with a cryptic error message or a frustratingly low limit. If this sounds familiar, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of transfer limits, specifically focusing on Lunar Bank. Let's face it, understanding bank jargon can feel like trying to decipher alien hieroglyphics. But worry not, we're here to translate. We're going to break down what Lunar Bank's transfer limit actually means, why there are limits in the first place, and most importantly, how to navigate them without losing your cool. So, you've got a fat paycheck, a hot property deal, or maybe just a really expensive hobby. Whatever the reason, you need to move money fast and efficiently. But hold on, there's a catch: transfer limits. These invisible barriers can pop up and ruin your plans faster than a surprise pop quiz. We'll explore the different types of transfer limits Lunar Bank imposes, from daily to monthly caps. We'll also talk about how these limits might vary depending on your account type, personal or business. And let's not forget about those pesky fees that can sneak up on you if you're not careful. But it's not all doom and gloom. We'll equip you with strategies to work around these limitations. From splitting up large transfers to considering alternative payment methods, we'll give you practical tips to keep your money moving. We'll also touch on the security aspect of transfer limits. While it might seem like an inconvenience, these restrictions are actually in place to protect your hard-earned cash from fraudsters and hackers. So, if you're ready to demystify transfer limits and take control of your money, stick around. We've got all the answers you need. Let's get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.